got that bread. He's literally trying to kill us. Are we not writing the same example? It's so cute. See, I don't so expensive now. Why are things so expensive? I with the moon and a tree and trees behind and a reflection. This life. My channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lenia. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on another video again. Hi. So I'm finally packing and going to school. I don't even know how to begin this video. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I don't know how I'm supposed to say what I want to say. Basically I'm packing. Quite obvious from the big bag right here. I'm packing to go to school, and I was just like, why not just do a pack with me and a chit chat? Because I normally, my videos on my channel are normally chaotic, crazy. I'm shouting, I'm laughing, something is happening, but then I've never really got to sit down and really talk. Going to be a pack with me as I unpack my feelings kind of video, because I've been feeling a lot of feels, and I'm not the type of person that normally talks about certain things that I feel. I'm not gonna care about my belly, because everybody has a belly. It's here. Like, guys, if you see rolls, know that I got that bread. So I just brought out the clothes that I think I will need, and some of these clothes are probably not going to be here because there isn't really storage space, so I can't carry everything here because this bag has to carry my skincare, body care, hair care, clothes, personal items need to be in this bag. So I'm just gonna try and pack everything in here. If it's too much, I have to reduce some things. So let us begin. As I already told you guys, I'm going to school. Last semester, if you notice, I was coming from home. Oh wait, did I vlog last semester? I didn't vlog last semester. Oh my god. Last semester was one of the most stressful semesters of my life. Our school, I think I've said this before, our school is literally trying to kill us. We have done 4 semesters in a span of 8 months. We have done 3 semesters. A semester is supposed to be half a year, and this is not like 100 and 200 level. This is 300 and 400 level. Like my last levels, my final year in school. I'm just rushing. We have projects, we have seminars, we have assignments, we have group works, we have practicals, we have project defense, seminar defense, because apparently my supervisor wants us to do seminar defense. We have a lot of things, and they're trying to make it. Oh wow, I'm not even packing. They have a lot of things, and they're trying to shove everything in our brain. That means exam is in like 2-3 months from now. When I think of it like that, it really does makes me anxious, makes me scared. That's why I did not vlog last semester. Like last semester was a lot because I was trying to do a lot of things and none of it was working out. It was really just, I really just felt very overwhelmed with everything. Nothing was, like, literally nothing was working out the way it was supposed to. I'm like, why did this happen to me this year? Why not last year? Why not 300 level? Why not 200 level? So many things. I can't really say what they are, but so many bad things just happened all at once. This year entirely, like this 2021, has been the most stressful year of my life. Last semester, I couldn't film, I couldn't do anything, and people will be asking me like, yo, why are you not posting anything? And I'm like, guy, are we not writing the same exam? At some point last semester, I fell into this very deep deep state of depression. I'm trying to find the words. I'm trying to find the words on how I felt. I felt heavy. I felt tired. And then, you know, we're in Nigeria, so you tell your parents and they're like, oh, just pray, you'll be fine. But then I couldn't be moaning every day because I felt like people would get tired of me crying all the time or complaining all the time about the things that are happening to me. Because even though I have really caring, amazing friends, every human being has their limit to how much stress they can take from another person, because everybody's going through their stuff. I didn't want to be a burden to people like, oh, Chine is calling me, she's probably going to cry about this, or Chine is texting me, I don't really want to hear about this. Why? You can see like this side is full. Like these are just tops. I think I said it in one of my previous vlogs. I was like, no matter how hard I try, I'm still going to end up being average. Still going to end up being like a C out of all the A's that I'm surrounded by. Because my friends are like really smart. It's not really jealousy. It's more like, what am I doing wrong? You know, I'm not like, why is life treating me like this? I'm like, why? What is wrong with me? I let a glimpse of that into my vlog. I can link it up if you want to watch it, or I'll put it in the description box. I was ready for exams and, you know, I was just feeling really mediocre, really average. Like everyone was better than me in everything that they do. And oh my god, I just realized that this should be here, because this is the bottom of the suitcase. Should I just shift this? So that's just how I genuinely treat myself sometimes. And then, as I said, this holiday, as the 2 weeks break, I was looking for animes or shows to watch. One of the animes I watched was Haikyuu, and this is a sport anime. In case you have not watched Haikyuu or you don't watch anime, there is this person on their team. I've forgotten his name. Tanaka! Yeah, that's his name. There's this character, Tanaka. He's always known as this always happy character. He's a funny character, basically. He's the comedy relief of the team. Always there, no matter what anybody does. When they are failing, when they are losing a match, when they are practicing, he's always there to be the supporting hand in the game. You rely on him to make a spike, you rely on him to block, you can rely on him to make a serve. So everybody since season 1 has been improving, basically. They've been getting better in everything they do. Like everybody will have their things. Oh, sorry, my camera cut off. Okay, so you have Tsuki that has his block. You have what's that guy's name? The short guy with the spiky hair that has his receives. You have the number 1, like he's the ace of the team. Everyone just has their thing, but tell me I've forgotten this guy's name again. So we have Tanaka, and he even though he's generally improving like everybody else, but you know, he isn't really having his own special move. He's just at the background of everything. And you know, we come to season 4 where we're seeing a glimpse of him. We just see a glimpse into his mind. Normally he will be, anytime he fails, he's always like, don't worry, I'll get it next time. But then for a second we see him being frustrated, and then he goes in the line of saying something like he knows his average, he knows that everybody's improving, and he was climbing, I don't know how to describe this, but he was climbing stairs. He said something in the lines of, average me, do I really have time to be sad and think about how average I am? It was in the middle of the night, 2 a.m. in the morning. Laying down on my bed with my duvet wrapped around myself, watching anime with my screen like blasting on my eyes, and I just started crying. I was bawling out in tears because for the first time, this is something that I truly related to, being an average person. I don't know how best to describe it. I'll probably have inserted the clip so that you understand what he said. I don't know if anybody else can relate to this. I really don't know. I'm going to pack my underwear. I do not need I don't need you people to see my underwear, so I'll come back to you guys when I'm packing my, I think, skincare and body care. That's the next thing I need to pack. So yeah. So this is the situation we have going on right now. It was just going to be skincare, but guys, my whole wardrobe came out. Look at my bathing stuff in here. Soap, sponge, cleanser in here, and then give it my wardrobe. These are so expensive now. Why are things so expensive? I checked. I was like, oh my god, let me get a floor cleaner or a floor. I don't even know what I was looking for. I was just checking the price of something like a table or a counter cleaner or something. Like I don't know what it was. I like glass cleaner or something. And then I saw the price. I was like, 1,500 to clean counter that I can use soap and water to do. This life. Oh guys, I want to show you something. Like during lockdown, but I decided to take up painting and art and all. So I want to show you a few of my paintings. Like it's embarrassing. It's actually not that good, but I just wanted to show you or put it in a vlog so that I can reference it later, because I'm very sure that these are going to end up spoiled, thrown away, wet somewhere. It's going to end up destroyed. This was my first ever painting. It's so cute. See, I don't know whether you can see it. You can see it. I'm very sure you can see it. Like don't pretend that you can see it. You can see it. See, it's my first ever painting. I love this painting. I was following a Bob Ross tutorial. I don't know, if I find it, I'll link it down in case you want to try and paint. Then the second one I drew was this one. It's a bit underwhelming, but yeah, whatever. I actually do not like this one. Then my third one, this one is actually embarrassing. I have figured out in life that I can never ever draw a human being. This is it. I'm not even going to bring it close to you guys so that you'll not see in detail what nonsense I did. But this is the painting I drew. I don't know I don't even know what I was drawing. It's a human being, that's all you get to see. Moving on. I love this one. I actually love this one. This is a pink sky with the moon and a tree and trees behind and a reflection. I love this one so much. If I'm actually framing something, it will be this one. That should have been the last one because this one is just this. It's nice. It's a flower in a vase, a glass vase, a glass vase, whatever. This is it. Yeah, so just wanted to show you guys, brag a little. Oh, and guys, during the lockdown I was doing a bunch of things. Okay, so I was knitting. So this is what I knitted. I also knitted this thing, but let's not focus on this. Let's focus on this one. I hadn't finished the yarn and see this. I don't know how to see how it is. It's like a something, guy, I don't know what it is. I think I should organize myself a little bit more before I go. I'll come back to you when I'm done packing. I'll talk to you guys when I am done. So first of all, I look busted and tired because I'm very tired. I'm very exhausted. I finished packing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far watching this video, leave a blue heart in the comment section. Just comment the blue heart, and we'll understand each other. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. If you want me to do more of these kind of videos, then please let me know. I would love to do more of these talk experiences video. We can have a conversation in the comment section. I don't know, I just wanted to have an unfiltered conversation with you guys. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.